Well, here we go, chaps. Here's the wing, all attached, the central part and the port and starboard side. You can see the Tyvek has been applied. Looks really nice, although I've still got a little bit of adjustment to make. You can see it's a little bit out there on the graphic. So that's all good. If I flip this over, you can see we've actually installed the servos. You can see the little servo arm poking out here, ready to be attached to the aileron horn. So we've got one on both sides, and if we ever need to get to it, you can cut out a little panel here. There's underneath. I should have left one exposed, but there's a little box there that it sits in. It's not glued to the underside of the Tyvek, so it can quite easily be lifted out. But I haven't had one go wrong yet. But there, that's me done for now, isn't it? So now the next step is we're going to attach this to the fuselage and start adding more covering material to the wings, and also the underside of the aircraft. Now on the fuselage itself, you've seen I've installed the Y cable for the servos, so we can get all that connected up too. So there we have it. Let's just give you a little display of how it's coming along.